When you're on vacation, it's all about finding the hidden spots. And if you're like me, it's all about the food and drink. I'm Sean Flynn with Food and Wine, and today we're in beautiful Napa Valley, California. Join me on a food tour as I check out some of my favorite spots.
Start your day off at new heights with a loft. You'll be up early, but the views are certainly worth it. The 1-hour ride takes you high above Napa and Sonoma, offering panoramic views of the rolling hills dotted with wineries. After your early morning, you'll want to find a place to lay your head. Ideally, a hotel with great food and drink. The newly opened Four Seasons in Calistoga offers just that. I opted for in-room service so I could enjoy breakfast while overlooking the vineyards that come right up to the property. It can't all be about the food, so make sure to carve out some time to explore and stretch your legs. St. Helena is right at the center of the valley and has plenty of quaint boutiques and shops to check out. On the outskirts of St. Helena, you'll find Forum at Meadowood. The restaurant is housed in a former country club turned luxury resort. Forum is the property's high-end but approachable lunch spot with great dishes like shrimp cavatelli, but also make time for a cocktail from the bar. There are plenty of wineries to check out, but what makes Hess Winery stand out is the option to take an ATV tour of the property. Make your way around the vineyards for stunning views and cap it with a taste of some great wines. Next and final stop, dinner. And a visit to Press is a must. The local favorite celebrates purveyors of the Bay Area and showcases the ingredients in fun and creative ways. My favorite dish was the gnudi, a pillow-like ricotta dumpling in a mushroom consomme. The restaurant is equally well known for its extensive wine collection, housing the largest selection of Napa wines in the world. After a day of eating, drinking, and exploring, it's finally time to kick back and relax. I hope you enjoyed checking out some of my favorite parts of Napa Valley, and that you found a place or two you'd like to add to your own food tour the next time you're in town.